Hi guys, this is Haley. Summer has officially arrived, which means I want more color in my makeup and a bold yet natural look. Unlike warm yellowy brown shades of eyeshadow, I use muted ashy eyeshadow to match soft nude glazed lips. I'm so excited to share all the techniques and products I use for this look, so let's get started. First thing first, I'd like to correct my under eye dark circles with a corrector as always. This salmon shade instantly brightens my under eye area, and I even apply it around my lips to brighten them for better lipstick appearance. I wanted a base makeup product with light to medium coverage, so I'll be mixing Glossier's Tinted Moisturizer with light coverage, and another one is Makeup by Mario's foundation with medium coverage. I'm using my finger to apply, and as you can see, it's unnoticeable on my skin because the shade perfectly matches my skin color and natural coverage. After applying it all over my face, you could see how natural it looks. Since I have some hyperpigmentation and spots I want to cover, I'm going to use a thick high coverage concealer for it. If you have a small and thin concealer brush, you could target the exact area you want to cover. Instead of using ashy contour powder, I decided to go for a warm cream bronzer along my outer face because it's the look for the summer. To get a smoother application, I'm applying it with a buffing brush. It's easy for a cream product to get patchy when you apply it with your fingers, but if you use a dense buffing brush, you will get a more even coverage. For eyeshadow, I'm creating a neutral brown look. I'm going to apply a soft muted beige / top shade, and I think this MAC wedge eyeshadow is a must for anyone who wants to create this look of the summer. It's pretty hard to find this type of color because all the brown shades are too warm or too ashy, but this is just perfect. I'm going to apply all over my lids as well as along my lower lash lines. After curling my lashes, I'm going to tightline and draw a bit of wing eyeliner with a brown gel eyeliner and a thin eyeliner brush. To smooth out the above end of eyeshadow look on my lids, I decided to use an ashy contour powder. Taking the contour powder, I'm extending the eyeshadow area by blending the eyeshadow towards the eyeliner for a more sculpted eye look. For eyelashes, I'd like to go for volume and a bold lash look, so I'm using a volumizing mascara for my upper lashes. This product gives that bold lash look while not being clumpy, so it's my current favorite. For lower lashes, I'm going to use a lengthening, clean mascara for more natural look. If the lower lashes look too spidery, it will look unnatural, so this is just my go-to mascara technique. For brows, since I dyed my hair to brown, I'm going to use a brown eyebrow pencil / powder. This pencil is combined with two products, so you could fill in and draw eyebrow hair with the same shade. To get a bushy brow look, I'm going to gently brush my brows upwards with using a brow gel. Since the cream bronzer disappears a bit, and I'd like to get more intense, so I'm applying a powder bronzer over top. I'm not going to use a blush today, so I'm sculpting and blushing at the same time. With the contour powder I used previously, I'm going to contour my eyes, connecting my nose and lips, just the smaller areas, in a natural way. For lips, first thing first, I'm going to contour or shade my lips with a lip pencil. This has become my go-to makeup product whenever I want to put more effort on my lip makeup look because it makes my lips fuller in a natural way. After drawing my lip lines with the lip pencil, I'm going to apply a pink nude lipstick all over and blend with my fingertips. To add more shine on my lips, I'm going to apply a little bit of muted pink lip gloss on the center of my lips, then it's the final look. To match the look, I wore color lenses, which I never do on my channel, but I kinda like it. It was so much fun for me to create this look, so I hope you guys like it too. If you are a person who loves a natural look but sometimes you have those days, want to go for a big glamp, and this is a perfect look for that. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you in the next one. Bye!